because remember they're in a contract and you can't break that contract.
But there's some people who broke the contract. Oh, Chagwa.
That one. Was she even in the contract that one?
No.
She was not.
She was not.
Okay. Yeah, that one.
She was not.
Yeah, that's why she's solo like.
We are talking about mega.
Super mega. Every time I listen to him, I'm like, we need to sacrifice 6 rappers for him to come back.
I think that's the only rapper. As much as I love Quest,
We lost.
that's the only rapper I sing. Maybe 3 songs word for word.
Buying your face.
Then you come. Hi everyone. My name is Lady Zamora.
Yeah.
Okay, so Lady Zama, tell us. No, it's not Zama. It's Zamora. It's part of proof yoguthi. This thing yoguthi umuntu man ngamboni ku screen it win.
Yeah.
Ata cherry pet. Uyasikhumbuza ukuthi cherry pet no ata. Bedla imali yelotho.
I still remember.
Cherry pet sinsothi. The golden bureau.
Agcina esikhalisa
ukuthi abhadala drive. But now I'm like, guys, some people, for example, would you be surprised with Java a driver a Bolt?
Nah, me I won't be.
Uye ku Big Zulu ukuthi bazama ukumenza superstar yenkabi yale.
Yeah.
But would you be surprised Big Zulu?
I mean, I won't be.
Now we talk about nomuntu ke manje osuke.
This lady now, she just beats her whatever. This is we are one abafazi sometimes if things don't work out. Things don't work out,
they're coming.
Damn, bro.
So if you don't know, now you know.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Hi guys, welcome to Easy On It with Sitwele. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. Guys, I'm blessed. The brothers are here. Please introduce yourself.
Yo, what's up, guys? My name is A.Vibes. From Creative World SA. So, I'm with my brother and my other brother.
Yeah. Please introduce yourself there.
Superstar material.
Aye.
Isa Matthews, mfana Pitori, mfana Pirara, mfana Periska. Tse dinchike maga se solo ke zaga. Guy mane o chikinya di chipi tsa chibulehi o tlole maho are how ma. The boys cooking. Yeah, boy.
Away. Guys, we've been talking about something very interesting, guys. As much as you see A.Vibes, as much as you see Issa Matthews here, guys, these guys have like a podcast named The Podheads. So we've been having a little bit of argument before the shoot and everything. He says he don't watch everything. Why, though?
I don't watch the full episode of podcasts.
Why? Yeah.
Because I'm working on my own and all I do is I need 15 minutes to take pointers because of lighting, camera, sound, the quality side.
Yeah.
I'm not interested in the content really.
For real?
Yeah. I have my own.
Cause my take is this thing, guys. If you watch, if you watch like you watch like the full show and everything, it's gonna give you that thing of, okay, you know what, I don't have to talk about 1, 2, 3 because you have a podcast as well. Let me catch up on some other news. So I don't want to repeat almost everything. Like it's like an artist being asked like the same question over and over. Now it's become something else.
Well, me with that, I have a person who does that for me. Go watch podcast and go to trending what TikToks. And then every week she tells me this is what's been going on. So I'm able to be updated.
Oh, so you got like a PA, nigga.
Yeah, we can.
Nigga is pushing there. So it's like you got like a personal assistant. Actually.
Yeah,
that's what
a helper.
It's a helper.
A maid.
It's a maid. It's a maid.
Yeah, so I have it teaches me a lot because the attention span is very short. Yeah. Especially when it comes to music and podcast. Yeah. So I take what I need and then I let it.
Okay, now I hear you, man. Guys, there've been some denied bail on Diddy here and there. I think now it's the second time now.
Third time. Is it third?
Yeah, they said it's the second time, and then they're still gonna deny him. And then I don't know why people are already judging. They say, they're gonna deny him.
What I heard is I need to ask mas America manje kind of like sexeni.
Yeah.
So we were recording whole night and we slept in 3 a.m. or 4. So I just went on my Facebook, and then on my Facebook I came across indaba kaTidi ne. It was buksemini ngaleso sikhathi ngala.
Yeah.
So they were like, yeah, Diddy just came out of, family got Diddy are coming out of court. Diddy's bail has been denied because I'm going there. Why it was denied? Because I was asking myself, I wonder, big negotiator. So it's basically they say he needs to snitch on more celebrities.
What?
In order to get that deal. So it deal yake begefuna uthi house arrest, and type shit, yabo.
Yeah.
So he wants to get out and go live in a mansion and still be arrested and that type shit.
Yeah.
But okay, fine. Snitch on more powerful people.
We're gonna let you out only if you wanna snitch on.
So if it goes back again, we should expect
more celebrities or more.
I don't like name dropping, but there's been a lot of talk about Beyonce and Jay-Z being tied into this Diddy thing.
Remember, they even lost a lot of followers on their Instas.
No Beyonce.
Yeah. After that thing came out.
When it comes to that, that is meant to happen because of mob psychology. There's people, you, him, me. It's human nature, it's mob psychology. Number 2, influence. Number 2, most of these followers by these celebrities, let me not say most, some are genuine. Let's just say if Batu Jay-Z lose 20% of his followers, but not Beyonce. Do you know what even in their following history, social media, 20%, 30%, whatever percentage is fake. It's not real. It's a following that was built to start for you to be influenced to follow them. Thoughts in a way. So it's like Beyonce has an Instagram account in like today. Let's say in this hour. What time is it? Whatever time is it right now.
Like 6 o'clock or something.
6 o'clock. They have this thing with it's happening now with Ronaldo. He's my favorite player of all time. He's my idol, even outside soccer. But I still say the first, because now we're living in a numbers game where they say numbers don't lie, but it's just the opposite. Numbers do lie. So they have this thing with you when they create an account. This is Beyonce. This is Jay-Z. With Jay-Z, it's even different because he doesn't even post there, isn't it?
He's not even active on anything. The
superstar is Beyonce. Beyonce, magitwa une account Instagram right now by an hour. That's how we always post Ronaldo reached let's say 20 million subscribers in an hour. Why do we mention that hour? Because so and so reached 20 million in years, but we want to show good
but like so you mentioned
the first followers, that's how I know it, and that's how I've researched. The first followers are part of being fake. It's for you to buy into the hype. It's a hype thing, my Saka.
So are you saying,
then the genuine stuff does happen at some point, but when it starts.
Are you saying that Jay-Z, Beyonce losing fans, like you said, is type of
not all genuine fans?
No, it's
they were just
in fact being taken.
They were just fans, but like real supporters, they're the ones who show. Like,
I'm not saying they're not going there, but the same thing is again the same thing that made people buy in is the same
used to take them down.
Then the other people who bought in, they still follow the genuine.
That's how the industry is. I think the same way they make you is the same way they break you.
You see, as you said, the first thing you said when you said I I don't want to mention name, but allegedly Beyonce and Jay-Z, it looks like they part of this.
Yeah.
And the first thing when you comment to you said, and apparently they lost
so many like
subscribers.
The
first thing you noticed after you heard that
what's your take on EPR ga Jay-Z and Beyonce in this situation?
In this situation, I give it a point for one thing. They're not saying anything.
But like, remember,
they're not saying anything.
Mind you,
but they something.
Mind you,
what did
they signed NDA when they were going to all
everybody, not them only,
all these parties.
Everybody.
So for them to stay silent out of this mist of this baby oil and whatnot, freak off parties and stuff, I think is valid, because remember they're in a contract and you can't break that contract.
But there's some people who broke the contract. Oh, Jaguar.
That one. Was she even in the contract that one?
No.
She was not.
She was not.
Okay, she
was not.
Yeah, that's why she's solo like that.
She was not.
That's why she's solo like that.
You see, when it comes to Jaguar, I'm not defending anyone. When it comes to Jaguar, we've lived. We are old. You know, you're a male. You know a female. You've had fights with your women. I've had fights with my woman. You know when somebody is spiteful. You know when somebody is bitter. You know when somebody maybe lost something.
Hey, that one.
I have nothing to lose.
That's why she's
you can see.
That's why she doesn't have anything to lose.
I'm not saying I'm
that's
right.
What I'm saying. I'm saying,
but it's not like maybe she didn't go to these freak offs or whatever. It's because she's bitter. Maybe she didn't get something.
Exactly.
Yes.
And then they say for her to go to the freak offs, as she said, she was once a escort. So she was there for business to service, and there's something maybe that went on, or she went there hungry. Now that the person who took advantage of her when she was hungry is in this what yay, Kamla.
Allegedly
she was like, yo, I know a lot, guys, let me tell you. I get it.
I think with NDAs it depends of what you got to lose.
That's true.
So
because remember,
it's like Justin Bieber.
And remember, it's not like anybody who was invited to these parties. It's either maybe you are like a businessman, maybe it's like it was like a top.
And sometimes I'm a +1. I don't think some +1 signed an ATA because we don't even know you.
But they
see you there.
But you see,
but they made sure they take away the phones.
But because you have rock up with Issa, you are something because you came in with Issa. So they are not taking you out, but they are taking.
They're not taking it.
Yes, but like they are taking Issa out. Like, yo, bro, you know, like, yo, this is how we going down. This is how this thing goes down. So make sure that your bitch must behave. Whoever that your +1 is must behave.
Now, you know what I think about this whole Diddy, R. Kelly, all these things when they taking down superstars, big artists and powerful artists.
Even
Bill Cosby.
Beside Bill, there's this guy. He's back now. What's the name of the? He sang this song. He says, "I'm gonna take whatever minute. What? What's the name of this guy? I'm gonna remember it.
I feel like with artistry and in the creative space, the media space, So you know we have Otina. We work to create content for superstars to present. So the superstars are the ones who are at risk, because now the fans, the masses, the public gets tired of you, and the people, the power people, they notice and they do data check, research, and stuff, and they see, oh, we're tired of this one, we want to replace it. It's like allegedly they're trying to replace Drake with Kendrick Ngale beef.
I saw
it's one record label, the same record label. But they say they trying to replace even Diddy. I feel like they trying to replace even with Usher. Was trying to replace even with Jay-Z. They're gonna get to him and try to replace even with Beyonce. new school is coming in. Even I think it happens even in Mzansi.
Yeah, no, that's true because.
But at Mzansi it happens. It doesn't. We don't cancel. We just block. But in blackball, when you blackball, you can't get in because there's a new producer or hot. There's a new artist.
Just get those gigs. Zabangani bakho or some people are connected nabo, but not the mainstream gigs.
Not
mainstream.
You. Not you.
I'm gonna go perform a World Cup.
Yeah.
Or like abo Summer Awards.
Unless they want to be in a theme. Yama OG.
Like Summer Award this year.
Like manje was Mkharimbe.
Didn't see.
Who was there? Ata. Okay.
I saw Zola and Ata.
Ata is even out. Ata udla nabo.
Ata is been and even
it's not even allegedly.
He even as gated now.
Gated, yeah.
Oh my Jesus Christ! This guy.
Now I'm questioning. You were eating.
So
now you're questioning.
Yeah. What?
I was asking you.
And he's telling the truth. That was in Nabo. People were surprised with it. This thing, it also kills that it's part of proof you're with it. This thing you're with it, umuntu man ngamboni ku screen it to win.
Yeah.
Ata cherry pet. Yes, como usted usa cherry pet no ata. Mali a lot.
I still remember.
The Golden Bureau.
I'm not
saying anything, but hip hop Kulichana. I've always said Kulichana, even when he's not there, he's still with Absolute. Kanjan. Yes, he has this thing with it after 5 years or 4.
Come back with
Sega. But in between, this guy is nice.
Some more,
But there's nothing bad ngaye. But I'm just trying to say, because I'm in music, I've studied ngaye with. Not everybody makuthiwa Zola logo never Kulichana. And I was like, okay, I wish one day igama lami ngaba so big in rooms where liyazikhulumela lona but ngihle uthulile ngingasabi ukuthi I have to stand on stage, I have to write a song to be big. So there are people like that ukuthi there's no stories or there's no stories yet, but there's people ukuthi don't be fooled ukuthi uthulile uthuwile. They eat it because now you can't eat with these tycoons. Ula,
researcher, they will come for you. SARS will come for you. This
sometimes I feel like some people are actually his stories are there. They just don't stick. Like Kulichana kona le ukuthi abusive relationship no Lamis
but it doesn't stick. That one was fake.
Yeah, so there's that thing which brings me, if you can allow me to ask, do you guys think cancel culture exists in South African media or entertainment industry?
It does, bro.
So
it does.
If you say yes, it does. Who has cancelled them? Successfully cancelled.
Angazwelanga yena self.
When there's some things that die. The fans cancel by the way. It's not blackballing uvalelwa abantu abatop. Cancelwa yithi thina sithi asakufuni noba unga release.
Let me check.
Uzama? Someone said Zama. Someone said Zama. Someone said Ubuhle. Oh, yakhumbula let podcast
that thing. She just never became relevant. She became big ngalian.
But like she became big.
That's
where MG even. That's where even.
Went to get manje.
She was overbooked
music.
After that jet. Music kabuhle ugcine nini? Ngale ngoma Casper le why trended. That's the biggest song I know.
Hamba.
She was. After that change, she just grew, bro.
But where is she now?
That's the thing, Gucci.
Let's go back to my question. Who was cancelable?
Let me. And it got me off guard. I can.
Do you think Lady Zama was canceled?
Yeah, she was.
Released this year, ne?
I love her album.
My man.
I love it.
But where have you seen her performing here and there? Like,
and I think
I didn't even see
a sponsored post on Facebook.
But you see, that's
and
where they
still Sony.
That's where they
it's universal.
That's where the cancel culture.
You see, so
you guys would say
even the features.
You guys would say you think she was cancelled. Because Vele Jalo, I'm part of that.
And
I'm not even afraid.
Defense because you must remember she's universal. You can't block universal, but go into the comments. Isithombe sakhe nje hleli kanje.
Nami I'm part of that.
Mangena lapha kodwa
Namngakhohlwa.
That is Java, baba. Hey, we must
and
go
then
there. Yeah.
there's Java who was almost cancelled. Waluza
Gigs,
He's back.
Yeah.
Ushava has always been this quiet artist, Maga releaser and feature. But we know it.
But you see,
always consistent.
But you see, back again, because like allegedly, Abo Ntiki Mazwa and stuff, they are the ones who champion these things of cancel culture and stuff. But because Java came through, because Java came through gender-based violence type shit. That's where even as Java came through on your podcast and everything, that's where he revealed that, yo guys, I ain't nothing to do with this one. This lady now, she just beats her, whatever. This is. We are one abafazi sometimes. If things don't work out, they're coming for creative work.
Okay. So we're saying you feel like ladies are
and think about Tuguti. And you caught me off guard on your question. I want to.
That's why I'm bringing it up. It's something. That's why I'm.
Because now I hate the fact to tell is a man. He's right.
That's why I'm.
But I want to think of someone. That's why even my coach right there.
Chris.
That's why I'm bringing it up.
And it's still coming, ne?
He's still coming.
That's why I'm bringing this up. Because it's not talked about enough, and I don't think we even think about it. Estates cancel who? They cancel.
That's true.
Up in Mzansi, we complain, we don't cancel.
Tina, I think siyaziyekelela ukuze uwe la if we abakhona umuntu because yabona ukuthi ladies ama ladies ama
they let you try
bathula ngesikhathi siwani so ngeke ngithi uziyekele bavene bathula even musical but ladies ama came back before Java even with music mangathi yalandela ladies ama started kwaphela
then that released a statement
but it also goes with the articulation of things. The way Java was, it's one of the things I was telling him today. You see this thing and no tile and no grape. He's going around, but in the law, you interfere, but with the evidence in one boot lomdanula. That's another thing. Articulating yourself. Ladies approach. Ladies would go like, for example. This is another thing. It's Africa. South Africa as a continent. South Africa as a nation. We are raised ngani ngesintu. We are raised ngevernacular. We are raised ngokuthi umuntu omnyama. Iba proud. Noma ungaba captured ngabelungu nana. But the moment you get to an interview, you don't like AKA what would say I'm not saying ladies are mamas fake, but when AKA said you're just faking humble, we one and the same. You get me? Casper.
She said that.
Later on, didn't we see good to Casper? Yeah, but to check out my camera, ladies are ma. Java was guy ngicela ukubulisa inkosi first of all uthi isiZulu bese uza ngevoice ezothile nabantu abadala ekhaya ingane wonke umuntu ongithanda ngiyabonga nokuthi ngithenga umusic wami noma ngisesikhathini esinzima kanje exactly
buying your face.
Then you come hi everyone my name is Lady Zamora. Okay, so Lady Zamora, tell us. No, it's not Zamora, it's Zamora. Uphakeme
amazulu anjani ephakameni
want ubonisa
amazulu anjani e-English lawo ufuna ukuyizwa. So population of South Africa
outside English what's the most popular language in South Africa?
It's Zulu.
And now I still believe they are even the most popular people
and influential.
than any other tribe. What do you expect? You see ukuthi ngisusa
Java dog.
Umuntu wabo make represent but wabe naye in on the side you are represent, he knows how to steal abantu bese ngisho umsuthu kuleyanto umtsonga umvenga uza ngani ngesinto angasi understand isinto sesiZulu but uza ngesinto sokuthi
ukusithoba
ngeke ubingelela inkosi iningane emakhaya ukutholela into ukuthi ubaqalela ngabo uthoba abo mama bese you come and correct uzong interviewer no it's not zama izoma okay.
So afethu mina bengibuza ku Brazami nani icabanga. Do you think cancel culture exists in South Africa? Do you think it's effective? Ngizosixelela ke la comment section and you can WhatsApp us on whatever. So let's think about that. What else do you have?
Doc, I have this question, right? In fact, it's not even a question, right? I saw this guy Cosmo. I think he acts on Generation.
Cosmo.
I think, you know Cosmo, right? Yeah, he's been trending. I saw people shooting pictures like for him. It's more like he's no longer famous. He's no longer out there now. He's driving Ubers. He's driving Bolt actually. He's driving Bolt, and like to me, is it a bad thing or a good thing?
Where's driver?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. What's your take on that?
We don't know about more information ukuthi like in
imoto yakhe or something.
Imoto yakhe
but he's working there.
His main car, the other one maybe called unezinye but he chooses to do that. Owner le moto iwani akana spani, the only
he's
way
trying to survive ukuthi let me register to Bolt,
because I've seen abanye bethi he earned enough ukuthi angathenga imoto and he acted before Generation ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi ebe nemali enough ukuthi abhatala drive. But now I'm like, guys, some people, for example, would you be surprised with Java a driver a Bolt?
Nah, me I won't be.
Uye ku Big Zulu ukuthi bazama ukumenza superstar yenkabi yale. But would you be surprised Big Zulu?
I mean I won't be.
Now we talk about nomuntu ke manje osuke taxi.
I think
look at the person also mago encounter naye.
I think with Java no Big Zulu kuzothatha ukuthi amazulu are elite or elegant basuke ema taxi ngena ku Bolt. It's leveling up because into yamazulu taxi industry we used to that transport but with the Cosmo I feel like I saw the post trending
nama pictures
with the Cosmo. I feel like, guys, what if this guy has time on his hands? Wouldn't you want to work ungakasha umuntu when you have time to do that?
Let's say you're a soccer player,
because the whole day what I've learned about the entertainment industry, there's no money. You remember the last episode with me? I told with if ufuna imali kule industry if you want to build, then stay and build. But imali, dog, you're gonna lose money.
Even behind the scenes, like
so
we do right now.
I don't expect.
But should it be big into a builder? Before this, the talent, you will be making more money because behind the scene. Because now, lento, like for example, podcast right now. Podcast you're not these numbers are for you to attract advertisers. Some advertisers are the talent. Unless you the talent plus you run. But most of the people who are here are not the owners of the whole thing. Because like maybe nkuluma nenye out yase Pitori ukuthi endoda yazi ngimangaza ukuthi ama artists amaningi our big awana studio. When you are getting booked angihle sibona ukuthi banobook imali nga but abana studio and mawuthi ya check studio esi right nje eso music singa cost about 50k umuntu bhatal 50k one night. If you still the cream of the crop isikhathi sakho you are limeke you getting ama 50k out 3 on a Saturday only, then Sunday should bakubize amanye out 3 or out 2 there was 150k nje okumele uspend ube ne studio. So ilonto le ukuthi I talent always has this thing yokuthi lento yabantu abangalena, then abantu ababukile abangaboni labantu abangalena think the talent has money and the talent knows ukuthi laba nemali but the talent just never thinks because they are so into this thing yokuhlala
trackpad.
But that's crazy.
And then that's mega.
That was the end of AKA.
We are talking about mega.
Super mega.
Super mega. Come
Every
on,
time I
guys.
listen to him, I'm like, we need to sacrifice 6 rappers for him to come back.
I think that's the only rapper, as much as I love Quest,
We lost.
that's the only rapper I sing maybe 3 songs word for word. And then I know the whole catalog. The whole I know.
The
it.
game changed after AKA, dog.
God.
The hip hop game, even the mainstream music.
So you see what I'm trying to say, Guti?
Yeah.
These things we invest kuma artists. Then kube nalento ukuthi hayi mina ne ukuze size sifika kule deep kanje ye death indaba yani ye please call ukuthi this is the thing we invest. Mina manje mawazi you are my artist bo uyayazi iqiniso now you using social media for fake sympathy ukuthi bazoza against me and you know the truth.
I watch why
You know the truth.
something so bad was thenga kanjani.
Mina I love the fact ukuthi I was an artist, I was front superstar. Him lawyer. Studied music. Still but ukustudisha kwaba ukuthi kunencwadi la. Then practically mina izinto engizenza ngizenzi because of incwadi. It's the practical things engiye kuzo nge-experience umuntu. Like when I was under someone.
By the way, guys, he's big, guys. If you wanna know more about him, just search Isam Matthews on all digital platforms.
Double
T.
Yeah.
Double S on Isa, double T on Matthews.
Yeah, please go and stream his music, guys. He just released not so long, not like Pori. He have released there's a lot, guys. Just search what just search what you're seeing on screen.
DSPs now because it's Spotify and Audio Mac for now.
Even YouTube
I also have a problem, but it's a topic for another day.
Yeah,
well,
Spotify is a scam.
What do you mean?
Yes, but
not allegedly, not even allegedly.
No, those things.
Why are you saying Spotify?
How am I going to come to your studio? You make me pay 300 for a beat. You make me pay 300 for recording. You make me pay 300 for mastering and mixing. I spent 900 on you. I go and promote that song for 1,000. I go and promotion is expensive. And then I spend 5K on this one song promoting it. And Spotify, when you stream, it gives me 56 cents.
Ikala was 0-0.
It's a game.
0-0.
Game is very tricky.
When you
but
the game,
remember Snoop Dogg? Remember Snoop Dogg was busy crying.
Snoop Dogg he got $1 billion.
Streams.
But he got $50,000.
But this is what I just made an example ngakhona before ngizozanga into but in this thing Vodacom the please call. Guys, we're living in an evil time. I'm not saying be evil, but be aware that Uber too. Okay, you see, right? You can't change it up with Spotify. You want your music to be heard. People are going.
And about
your music on Spotify.
And about
but for you to eat,
is there now. You see your streamer now.
Yeah, we are trying. But for you to eat,
and by them saying that, they're saying, which are you there with your niggas on Spotify?
That guy. Uchole, if formula yokuthi and you just happen to be a formula.
Oh, you mean the guy who created this platform?
Yeah. Zuckerberg, Facebook, only formula yokuthi and you just happen to be.
But they are explaining.
I like that.
But they are explaining.
Now it's
on that. I like that what you're raising. So with my mind, saying Spotify is a scam and how I researched it, I'm not gonna release my music on Spotify.
Like
I would rather WhatsApp you and send you my album and you give me 10 rand or 20 rand.
Find your way.
But now it seems like
find your way.
But nowadays
you see Ugutu Kanye West Spencer.
But nowadays
and the market, just because we are so used to say against it, didn't he do it though? He did.
I think he used
that's
to.
What Mina, that's how I move. It's just that I don't have something like it. Nah, the world is going like this. I have this. But I understand how the world is
But like if you're gonna go to that road, you must stand firm on what you're studying, because a lot of people they're gonna come.
They're gonna come.
It's that uphethe too much inside your way ukuthi wena manje ufuna ukuthi
ufuna
ukuthi ufuna ama-50 to buy.
Yabona umuntu onjengaye like uAmini echo athini yena kana that pride angakwazi ukuthi nama nginayo, but once you get into this industry, I always say industry even home affairs and government in a package. Yabona ego, I won't even hide it. A bit of asazi level as fan khona ba that's like awunanemfundo unempakamo from ekhaya, or maybe ulo ukuthi yo manje ngaba rich long esilibona wasokola too much, but a basic nje ego yokuthi like mina mangithi I'm a superstar. I don't say it in a way yokuthi omunye umuntu angimazi, but ngisho in a way yokuthi baba kuyimanje ngitreat ubuso bami ngenza in I have this thing with I have the facial talent, I have the talent, but I affect you, I harm omunye umuntu ukuthi I have that wena unayo it's me. So into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi then to ayisho ukuthi WhatsApp kanje he could do it way better than me, because mina the cloud still comes.
If pride is to know. I'm not gonna do
you
that.
Remember one story ukuthi there's one person nokwazi ukungikhupha angihambula I have it, I live this life, this thing I feel okay watch uswe this thing I feel like it was designed for me. It's 19 years doing this. I've dreamed, I wanted ngangibhala ama-lyrics cricket bat. This thing is something I've always wanted to be a star.
Bro, like I always wanted to ask you this, bro.
But
like,
let me show you. This is the Spotify guy. Because that Spotify guy never did music in his life. I won't go to the Spotify and say WhatsApp. Me, I do music for my life. I won't think about WhatsApp.
I wanted to ask you something, guys, because you released the song that had Peltus in it.
Yeah.
While what's this one? MT released Peltus as well. Then she reacted to your music. So who wrote the music that included Peltus? Him or you before?
Let's say released, because we don't know behind the scenes. You're right.
Yeah. Let's say about that.
Because I've noticed into engengezibhale manje siziphuma kwabanye, but we don't know each other. Just great minds think alike, or coincidence. So with that, I released first. It's just a fact. It's out there. Even if it can go.
But your track was Peltus as well.
Yeah, Peltus.
So then that one was Peltus as well. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay.
Yeah, it's out there. But it's research.
I think. Can I say something?
Yeah. But like, how did you?
I released first.
You released first, ne?
18 is January.
But like, how did you feel when she reacted to your music? Because I saw a video where she was driving with a bodyguard.
Oh, that one.
That was this year.
That was this year.
It was only this year.
Oh wow! 9 years later.
You know what I think?
No way!
We met before.
Yeah.
She played my song on Metro FM and everything. We have a photo together as well. That time, sharp, starstruck. But I was coming from an interview from Morning Live, okay.
I still wanted to ask you about that one. How did you get
that interview? That interview is the one. It was it's 9 years later, because on YouTube it says 9 years ago. So now the Peltus interview 9 years ago. So it means 9 years later as a Sheragan.
So can I say my piece about that?
Oh, okay.
I was on the sidelines watching.
Okay.
Or let's say behind
the team.
So when it came out, we even borrowed money to pay a PR the song. And then MT came through, unfortunately. So I'm not gonna talk the politics. I'm just gonna say how I see it. How I see it is, Peltus, she reacted and met Uisa at the studios, and there's a picture to prove it. She had Leasi D.
The one that
you had an artwork. We were serious. We had an artwork for a singing. She has it. There's a picture. She liked it. It shows now that she liked it. But MT was MT. And MT was ambitious. And probably Peltus was paid to even. She's on the video, right? And ambassador.
Even the Morning Live guy did ask you, Is she gonna be on the video and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she was willing.
So you know how it goes. Since we are talking industry.
Yeah.
Okay. Issa, I like Issa's song. I'm Peltus. I like Issa's song. It's doper than that one. But I gotta eat.
I gotta eat.
So who's Issa?
The bag. Who got the bag?
Who's Issa?
I gotta
Who's MT and who's ambitious? So it goes this side.
Damn.
This side
That's
is
crazy.
But
That's
But
how
now,
it is.
9
in
years.
the long run, the
9
truth
years.
haunts you.
9 years
9
later.
years later.
9 years
You
later.
react to the whole song and you go and search it on SoundCloud, not DSPs,
Yeah,
or
yeah.
Spotify,
Yeah.
iTunes, where you would expect people to own a subscription.
Yeah.
Went on SoundCloud.
And you act like it's new to you. Says something about the industry.
And there's nothing wrong with Peltus. I appreciate that.
Shout out to
We have
Pam.
nothing.
Shout out to
But she just proved something ebantwini ukuthi when people said I stole ingoma ka MT and MT is better than me nan. She once said it.
Yeah, she said it's better.
It's but so
Well, she said it's better.
She said Issa's Peltus
Yes.
is better than MT's Peltus.
but it's business.
That's when I realized
It's
shit.
business.
Damn, bro.
So if you don't know,
now you know. yeah.
Otherwise, I'll play.
Otherwise, there's
I
a whole
love
lot
that.
coming through.
I love Peltus. We cool like that, and I appreciate everything I get because she did help. I won't lie. Behind the scenes, she did help.
She came through.
Yeah, she came through. It just you can't fight as in your
You
Okay. Alright guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. This is not the end of it. But this one is the first part. We're still gonna chill with the Matthews. We're still gonna chop things out. Please go and check out the Potty Heads podcast. Please go and check out
Potty Heads.
Issa Matthews, and then go and check his music, guys. They've been working on this thing. 15 years in the game, right?
19.
Nice.
Next year I'm doing 20.
Damn!
Next year I'm doing 20. I should celebrate 20
Hey,
years.
this guy is old, yo.
2025 I'm doing 20 years.
So this is the real OG.
Maybe
when it comes to
something
this.
event is gonna come or party. I have to celebrate.
Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell, everyone, anything. Be notified. We are out, guys.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop a video, you'll be notified.